kick off our D-Day salute with this aeroplane is because the contribution of Royal Air Force photo reconnaissance squadrons in the run-up to D-Day was immense. Alone, unarmed and unafraid was the motto of those units, and it was one they lived up to throughout the war. In the run-up to D-Day, RAF PR assets, plus those of the US Army Air Force, Spitfires amongst them, also Mosquitoes and F5 Lightnings, the photo-recce version of the P-38, were the primary types involved. They brought back to Britain vital intelligence for the Allied commanders on such things like Sergeant Colgate's aircraft received the first honourable star since the squadron had been on Spitz, but only a minor hit in the tail. Several of the other pilots had rather hectic trips, especially so as light-heading flak was a new experience for most of them. Several of the sorties were sent over the Bridgehead area, and the pilots had a pretty good view of what was going on there. Rolling now with Spitfire PR 11. And so we begin our D-Day salute with a photographic reconnaissance sortie from a PR Spitfire. In the weeks leading up to D-Day, aircraft such as this were extremely active over France. Looking at the squadron records, the aircraft went over such crucial strategic sites for the invasion and of course the bombing campaign that preceded it, such as railway junctions, which feature heavily in the records, also Luftwaffe airfields and so forth. Every time, as the motto of these units suggests, the Spitfires, these PR examples, would go up unarmed and they'd be deployed singly on these operations. The Spitfire was an outstanding photographic reconnaissance platform, able to fly fast and high and successfully evade enemy fighters. And here comes the Spitfire PR 11 for its display.
I don't know anything about it. They made it two-seat.
Expeditionary Forces was Air Chief Marshal Sir Trafford Lee Mallory. It was very much an Anglo-American-led operation.